Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.com, and today we're going to do lips. So we're getting down to the home stretch. So let's get started. So I'm going to finish my whole look that I just did, my basic look. I'm going to start off with using a lip liner. This is by Unique. It's the Moonstruck Precision Lip Liner, and the color is Pouty. Comes in 10 shades, 10 different shades, and you can also get these in sets, 3, 10, and 21, which would also include the eyeliner pencils. And you can mix and match which liners you want in the 3, 10, and 21. If you get 10 or 21, you will get a free sharpener. This is the sharpener, and like I said in my previous videos, I love the sharpener because it has a little top, and the sharpeners go in here, and then you just dump it out when you get a chance over a can. But if you're somewhere where you can't, it just remains inside and it doesn't make a mess. So I'm going to use Pouty on my lips, and I have small lips, so how I line my lips, I go slightly outside the lines, my natural lip line. And I don't really have a natural bow, if you can see. My lips kind of go straight across, so I actually have to draw one on. And if you have this situation, you should always try to line up your bow with the center of your nose. I really like these pencils, and I like the eyeliners too. They go on very smoothly, and they come in an assortment of shades, so you will never be bored. I also sometimes pencil my lip in a little bit so that it doesn't look so drawn on. I'm just filling it in a little bit. Also helps to keep your lipstick on longer when you fill it in a little bit. So today I'm actually going to use, and this is brand new with my company, it's called Moonstruck Crush Lip Powder, okay? This comes in 22 shades, I'm sorry, it comes in 9 shades. This comes in 9 shades, and it retails for $22. And what it is it's a powder. It's a powder, but once you put it on your lips, it turns into a cream. So this is the color I'm going to show you. This color, let me see if I can see what the name of the color is. I can't even read. My eyes are so bad. This is Complicated. Okay. This is Complicated. This was Complicated. But I want to show you that it's a powder. So I'm going to put this on my lips, and we just got these in. Look at that. And I have to say, it's got a nice flavor to it. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of like a bronzy brown. Isn't it beautiful? It's got a little sparkle to it. And it feels so nice on the lips. Like it feels smooth. And yet it has more of a matte finish to it as well. So once you put it on and it dries, it should stay on for a while. But I'm going to put some gloss over the top, because why not? And the gloss I'm going to use, this is actually a limited edition gloss. We make a few different glosses, but this particular one came out over the summer, and it's called Beachfront Lip Oil. And it's an oil, but it's a gloss oil. This color, it's called Beachfront Kissed Oil, and the color is Cocoa Beach. Okay. And it's an oil. And this particular one, Cocoa Beach, tastes like cocoa butter, which I like. Comes in 3 shades. Like a purpley lavender one, which has a kiwi flavor, and a clear whitish one, which has a coconut flavor, which I think the coconut one we're out of, but we still have Cocoa Beach and the lavender one, which is kiwi. And that's it. And this retails for $22, in case you're interested. That completes my basic look. We did Glorious Primer. We started out with our face primer. I showed you what my face would look like with a BB cream, which is more tinted moisturizer. I also did a look with the Touch Mineral Foundation, which gives you a fuller coverage look. I showed you the Duet sculpting stick for contouring and highlighting. We did brows. I showed you that you could either use a brow pencil, or we also have our brow palette. Let's see, we did mascara, the Epic Mascara, and I did it in brown for a more natural look. I did the Splurge eyeshadow, which is right there, treasured in the middle, and then I used 4 of the pressed eyeshadows, crease, outer corner, and under my brow. Eyeliner pencil we used underneath the eye. We did blush. We did seductive blush. I did bronzer, which was Beachfront Malibu. I did that here and over where I did contouring. Highlighter, I used the highlighter portion of the bronzer, as well as the I can't even say that word, but it's the cream to powder touch a la mode, benevolent. I think I said I can't even say that word, benevolent. But that I put on my cheek first. It's a cream, and then I went over it with the highlighter portion of the bronzer. We did Touch Behold translucent powder all over the face to set everything. And then last but not least, we did our lip liner, Pouty. We did our lip color in Complicated, which was the powder lip color. And then over the top, I did the lip oil in cocoa butter. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I hope you like my videos. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos if you found them helpful. I will definitely do more tutorials and do different looks. You know, if you have any ideas or things that you want me to do, my email is below, karakurloff@aol.com. My website is thatbeautyaddict.com, where you can buy all these lovely products. And I will also have a link with all my social media accounts attached should you want to get in touch with me and connect with me. I'd love to help you. Once again, please send me your ideas too for videos. I'm always looking for new material to do. And there's lots of fun makeup to play with. So there's lots of things that I have ideas about that I want to do, but I'm always looking for new ideas. So if you have any ideas or anything you want me to cover in my videos, please be sure to let me know and I'll be sure to get it done for you. So I hope you're all having a great day and I hope to talk to you all soon. Bye.